Alright guys, today is November 5th and it is a Wednesday. It's Wednesday, my dudes. But yeah, today we had some news and I'll just try to make this quick for you guys. I don't want to hold you. On the 4 hour, what are we looking at? We are bearish right now. We respected this bullish gap. We have so much more liquidity down and we are bearish on a bearish trend, respecting this bearish, right? I guess we respected this bullish for a retrace. Overall 4 hour bearish, hourly also bearish. We respected this, well, we didn't respect it, but this whole move we can count as a bearish fair value gap, right? Just continual short, and it's just like yesterday where we short so long throughout some sessions. We rebalance and then continue shorts if ever, right? And then yeah, so on the 30-minute I marked down our key level Asia lows, and then these are also our hourly, right? New York PM, New York lunch, New York PM, and yeah, can come down. So basically I'm more bearish right now, but just like yesterday where we moved we moved so much on the bear, like we shorted so much, we need to rebalance. And to be honest, I thought this was enough of a rebalance to continue shorts, which is, you see, that's happening right now, but I don't think it was enough, right? At the moment we are at this bullish fair value gap, so let's keep that in mind on this trade recap. And so yeah, let's just get into it. I'm gonna go to New York Open, blah blah blah. Okay, I gotta speed this up a little. Should be somewhere here. I just didn't want to be ahead because on TradingView it shows the candles ahead when you go on a higher time frame. So yeah, so now we can take a look. I guess we disrespected that fair value gap. Probably a lower fair value gap on the 30 and the 15. Right? 15, you respected it. Boom. And then we also had this hourly. Yeah. So we're in an hourly gap right now. Well, not right now, but we are coming into it, right? Right here we swept liquidity, some liquidity. Reasons why I was still short is that, look at this, so much on buy side, right? So much liquidity, right? But yeah, so we came into this 1 hour gap. We swept it. What is this called? We had a SMT as well. So on here, what is it? These shorts, I'm gonna fix this real quick. These shorts were not swept on ES, but it was on NQ, right? Right here we have a bullish SMT, right? So I didn't take this. I should have taken this, and a lot of people have taken this. But yeah, so we're in a hourly gap SMT, and we swept some low resistance liquidity, and obviously price wants to rebalance after those shorts, right? And so we have this inverse. Yes, we inversed it, and I should have taken this long. And then you could have targeted what, these highs, and possibly a session high and that bearish gap, right? If you wanted to rebalance. And yeah, I should have taken this. Like, price was so forgiving that it retraced. I just didn't like it because it retraced and closed below this minute, this 1 minute, right? But it did close below. I was gonna re-enter here, but I was like, damn, it closed below. Then immediately pushed back up. So you could have had another entry here where you inverse this gap, and then you could have entered there. But yeah, this long was beautiful. Looking back, I missed out on it. Smack TP immediately, and you know, obviously I know that now, right? And then what do I see now? Right now we're at a hourly bearish gap. That was our targets. But now, since in my head, right, now we're rebalancing. We're not above the 79% extension. So this was just a retrace in my head that we continue lower. So I'm looking for reversals now for an inverse. What did I see right here? We inverse this 1 minute, and I wanted a little bit more like confirmation, right? And so I entered on this next candle. My stops were up here, and then I was targeting what, 5 minute unfilled right here, and a 15, no 15, just the 5 minute here for a 1 to 1.4 RR. And I believe I hit this, and then no, my TP was here to go all the way down for a 3 to 3.8. No, it was not. It was the 5 minute. Sorry about that. But yeah, we fully, like, we were almost there. About 18 points. Get edged, and then we hit stops. Here I put break even, but I didn't want to break even because this was too close for my entry, and like obviously if I went break even here, look, I would have got break even. We wouldn't have seen this move, and if this move happened and continued lower, and then what, right? So for me, I think that was fine that I didn't go break even and just took the full trade, but it was a loss. I'll take the L. I thought it was a great setup, and I thought it was like yesterday where we rebalanced and then we continued lower, right? Just like yesterday. And so I was like, damn, I was hitting FOMO here because now we're gonna continue higher, right? And so what did I wait for? I'm pretty sure I waited for the noon to at least, maybe it was this hourly that we wanted to reverse off of, right? So I waited for this. Let me take these out for you guys just to be more clean, right? So I wait and I wait and I wait. Like, these longs were going on for a while. We chop a little bit, then we push back up. Now I wait until we tap into this. I'm just gonna double check, and it was 11:28, so it was all the way up here. But yeah, I was waiting for this, and then I checked my phone, I saw we're just continuing higher, man. Like, you could have re-entered here because 5 minute fill and then just continued long. But yeah, I'm gonna get to my trade right around here. So why did I take this trade? I think it was the 5. C. 5-minute bearish gap. 5-minute bearish gap. Boom. We're on this 5-minute bearish, but Jesus, 5-minute bearish gap. Take this out for now. I think we had an SMT, that's why I also took it. Yeah. So here, NQ, we swept this. ES, we did not. 15-minute. I don't like that. But yeah, we had a SMT to be bearish. So while we were here, take this out real quick. I'm looking for an inverse. There's a 2-minute, a 3-minute, a 4-minute, and no 5. So 4-minute we inverse. I took the short. I was targeting this gap basically, and that was basically it. And immediately just took the L. Right? I was like, damn, are we really just gonna continue to be bullish? And man, I was just forcing shorts today and just trying to predict when price has been so bullish, right? And I tried here again. Like, now that I look at it, this is such a stupid trade, because we didn't even sweep some type of liquidity. I if ever shorts, I would have waited around up there, right? So this is why you do trade recaps, guys. You gotta, you know, learn from your mistakes. Either trade recaps, journaling. But yeah, this is kind of taking long, but let's just keep going. So here we swept that. So no, there is an SMT. Okay. Thank God. So it's not as stupid, but it is still stupid. So here we did not sweep. NQ we swept. Right? Bearish SMT again. Look for an inverse. We inverse the 1-minute. And again, okay. So with this, okay, I know it looks like we won, but so I entered. My stops were here at this high, and my greedy ass wanted to target these. And to be honest, I thought it was a good target, right? Look at this sell side. If we want to continue higher, honestly, we're gonna want these. And I believe, no, I just wanted these low resistance liquidity. Now that I look at it, there was a 15 here that I could have took the dub on. Okay, man. But yeah, so I took the short. I'm pretty sure I went break even already here. Like, this was pretty deep, and we could have hit TP with this, like on to the tick for a what? 1 to a 3.49 RR. Like, wait, can we look at this real quick? Say we want shorts on 8. 652. So I would have been break even on the day if I won this trade. But yeah, my targets were just these lows for more liquidity, and like price moves from internal to external, so I wanted to get the internal. But yeah, my greedy ass, my mistake. I hit a break even on this trade, and I think it continued. to go low. I don't know. Here, let's see. Yes. We did. Damn. That's tough. But you know, what can we do? It was the next leg that it wanted to move. No. Why the next leg though? 5 minute? 4 minute? A 4 minute gap? Was here. Nada. Guess nothing. Order block? I don't really use order blocks, but yeah. Damn, that sucks. That really sucks. It was the next coming leg. Let's see if there was a trade though. So yeah, I guess we reswept the high. No, I guess there's a 1 minute, but 2 minute here. Different leg though. 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. So you could have traded the 2 minute. Inverse here, bang. Short on this closure. Stops at these highs. Bang. Target what I wanted. Bang. 1 to 2.34. Could have targeted these. Let's go on the 5 minute. You guys can get off the video now. I'm just yapping. These lows. That's probably pushing it. Right here. Equal lows. Bang. Like banger trade. I just missed the move by 1 more leg. And that's okay. You know, I'm pretty happy with this week. Especially November. November has been forgiving. And yeah, I'll show you guys my account. First 2 trades we lost on about 500 something dollars. 500 plus. And then the break even. And we are down 625. To be honest, I'm fine with that. I will take this loss. We have been on a heater. 4 win streak. This is kind of ass, but yeah, 4 win streak, and got this account, like I said, from 300 balance left and to now. So we're still almost halfway there, or yeah, we're past the halfway point. 55% done. Win rate probably got lower, but yeah, that is it for me today. Sorry for holding you guys for a while. Thursday we're definitely gonna trade FOMC. It's just the orange folder. Friday, yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys caught those longs, or you know, if you were more into the shorts and you took that last leg trade, this one, congratulations. Damn, I know a lot of us FOMO'd on this whole move, right? It is what it is. There's more days coming, guys. And so yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Deuces.